So this right here is one of my favorite features. I've walked walking labyrinths in plenty of different places, and there are so many different variations of them. I did a post on Instagram about what walking labyrinths, meditative walking labyrinths are all about. So I won't get into that here, but it's basically so far just a very large circle. And there's going to be a wider path along the exterior edge that will connect to the other path somewhere. And then it's just going to weave in and out in different directions through here. And you'll end up in the center where there will be a spot for sitting, meditation, just taking it all in. In between the walking paths, there will be 2-foot wide planting strips all through this area. And they're going to be planted with butterfly attractors and those kinds of plants. So hopefully when you're walking through here, it'll be like a little slice of heaven. Oop, there's a butterfly right there. So I headed out of the walking labyrinth, and then I'm going to head back over by the tents.